Okay. We'll start. In last lecture, we have started our third unit, that is nothing but fundamental of AI, fundamentals of artificial intelligence. In that, we have seen the first part of first we have discussed related to syllabus. After that, we have study related to what is mean by artificial intelligence, as well as recent features based on AI. Okay, recent features of that AI we have discussed in the last, as well as we have started the various applications used in industrial artificial intelligence. Okay, now just we will go through it. Okay, in this part we have studied in last lecture, fundamentals of AI. This is our unit number 4. Actually, we have skipped that unit number 3. We'll conduct at last. Okay, that unit number 3 due to some numerical part is there inside that, and we'll finish as early as possible that part. Again, everyone should start writing the assignment, because the up to month end you have to complete all assignments of all subjects. Okay, या मंथ एंड पर्यंत सगळ्यांनी सगळे असाइनमेंट कंप्लीट करायचे. Okay, because up to month end, okay, we have to submit that your term out part to university. Means we have to complete syllabus up to this month end only. Yeah, we can finish, no problem at all, but everyone should try to complete that assignment part. Start from today only. Total our subject 8 assignments are there. Out of that, already I have given 2 assignments. Okay, remaining assignments I will provide as early as possible. Okay, so everyone should start that write up part of our assignment and complete as early as possible, because at last hurriedly you can unable to write that assignments and other parts. Okay, understood these things, because up to month end, okay, we have to finalize the your ICA, or we can say that term of part. So be prepared as per the requirement. Okay, next we have started with what do you mean by artificial intelligence. Okay, intelligence is nothing but in Marathi it is called as बुद्धिमत्ता. बुद्धिमत्ता आणि आर्टिफिशियल म्हणजे कृत्रिम बुद्धिमत्ता. ओके, ज्या पद्धतीने मनुष्याला किंवा माणसाला बुद्धी आहे, त्या बुद्धीचा यूज करून माणूस वेगवेगळे डिसिजन घेऊ शकतो. एखादा प्रॉब्लेम असेल तर त्याचे प्रॉब्लेम सोल्युशन फाइंड आउट कशा पद्धतीने करतो, तर आपल्या बुद्धीच्या सहाय्याने फाइंड आउट करतो. सिमिलरली आपण काय करत आहोत, तर त्या ठिकाणी मशीनलाही कृत्रिम बुद्धी डेव्हलप कशी करायची, म्हणजे आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजन्सच्या सहाय्याने. ओके, हाऊ टू सॉल्व एनी प्रॉब्लेम विथ द हेल्प ऑफ द मशीन्स. इट इज नथिंग बट आवर artificial. Again, with the help of this AI capabilities, okay, we can do, means with the help of this artificial intelligence, what we can do, we can do the decision, any decision related to market strategies. Again, we can solve complex problems, as well as we can increase the accuracy of product and perform high level computation. Means big data we can manipulate, or the structured unstructured data we can find with the help of this AI applications. Okay, next one, recent features based on AI. We have seen one of most popular features of AI is the Google Maps, Alexa, face recognition, fingerprint recognition, recommended ads, and so on. The last time we have discussed this one. Again, this is related, we have discussed all these Again, the narrow AI versus general AI means specific purpose. If AI is developed somewhere, the example we can say that might be how played the chess game in computer. In that, the narrow AIs are used, and we can use the general AIs for the face recognition or the any calculus part. Okay, for that we can use this general AI part. Okay, next we have seen the this is a artificial intelligence is the broad term. Okay, we can classify as a okay subparts of the that artificial intelligence. We can say that machine learning. There are different parts of that artificial learning. They will discuss one by one. Also, we have discussed related to machine learning. What do you mean by machine learning? Cognitive analysis. Last time, if you type any word in the Google, who is Obama's wife? Okay, definitely the Google AI will search and it will show the possible answers like Michelle's Obama is the wife of Obama. Okay, again, how old he is, if you type in the chat in your Google search engine, then Google's artificial intelligence, it will show the Barack Obama is 55-year-old. Means it is similar to our chatting box. Okay, आपल्या ज्या पद्धतीने चॅटिंग बॉक्स असणार आहे तर त्या पद्धतीने वर्क झालेले तुम्ही त्या ठिकाणी बघू शकणार आहे. Okay, this is we have seen robots, machineries, and next we'll move to us applications and branches. AI application, which are the AI application or the branches. There are different AI applications or the branches. The first application we can say that the mostly AI it is used in the game playing. Okay, those playing game playing we can say that like puzzles or we can say the PUBGs and one more game famous Ludo. Okay, in that that computer only think about the that and depend upon your situation it will take the decision. Next one is the second one is the theorem proving. Next, natural language processing. In natural language processing we can say that okay, suppose some voice recognition software is there, then that voice recognition software can understand Marathi as well as the English, Hindi, all languages that software will understood. But natural languages, suppose you are talking in Marathi, Google will understood and accordingly it will show the result. Okay, if you want to, where is the okay hotels? Or the you can say that तुम्ही जर गुगलला हाय गुगल म्हटल्यानंतर जे तुम्ही मोबाईल मध्ये गुगल व्हॉइस रिकग्नायझेशनचं जे काही ऍप आहे ते स्टार्ट होणार आहे. स्टार्ट झाल्यानंतर यू कॅन आस्क टू नियरेस्ट प्लेस प्लेस हॉटेल्स और यू कॅन सर्च जस्ट हॉटेल्स नियर बाय मी. ओके, जर तुम्ही त्या ठिकाणी म्हणलं किंवा माझ्या जवळचे हॉटेल जर तुम्ही मराठीमध्ये म्हणलं तर इट विल रिकग्नाइज अकॉर्डिंगली अँड इट विल शो द रिझल्ट. अगेन विजन प्रोसेसिंग, robotics. Already we are discussing one first session related to robotics. In that also we can use this AI. It is one branch of the AI application only. Expert systems, machine learning and deep learning, these are the parts of AI only. हे काय तर सगळे AI चेच पार्ट आहेत. नेक्स्ट वन इज द okay, this artificial intelligence, it subject covered under reasoning, learning, planning, perception, knowledge acquisition, intelligence search, uncertainty management, and others. Inside that subject, this all content will cover. Again, psychology, maths, psychology, and the computer science also. Okay, and the applications we can develop game playing, theorem, language and image processing, and robot and navigations. Okay, we have discussed related to this. The applications of AI are shown in figure. Okay, this in figure it is shown the all applications. Okay, consumer marketing. Have you ever used any kind of credit ATM store card while shopping? म्हणजे असं तुम्हाला काय भेटलेलं आहे का त्या ठिकाणी ATM मिळतात किंवा क्रेडिट कार्ड्स. इफ यू सो यू हॅव व्हेरी लाईकली been input to an AI algorithms. Okay, all this information is recorded digitally. Companies like Nislam gathers his information weekly and search for the pattern. General change in consumer behavior, tracing response to new product, identify customer segments, targeted marketing. Example, they find out the consumer with sports cars who buy textbooks respond well to offer a new credit cards. Okay, like algorithm data mining search data for pattern based on mathematical theorem and learning. Okay, this is about the theory about the if you go for the marketing, consumer marketing, then definitely this AI will help you. If you search in the suppose I want to purchase one car. If you type car, it will show number of result. Okay, means they don't know. Okay, which car you want. It will show the Audi also. It will show Maruti Suzuki. It will show all kinds of the cars available in the market. Means that marketing also it again technologies like camera, micro fingerprint devices, microphone. These are the some of these. Next, we will go to that directly. Biological, psychological, cognitive, robotics in the artificial machine translation. Okay, now these are the some application or branches of AI. Okay, now we will discuss one by one gameplay. Okay, what do you mean by game playing and how it works? Okay, before that, I will play one video. In that, you will get the top applications of the AI. Okay, तुम्हाला त्याच्यापासून तुम्हाला सगळे जेवढे काय applications आहेत AI चे तुम्हाला बघायला भेटतील. Just I want to play. Wait a minute. I will play this.
Now, have you ever what would happen if an artificially intelligent MuseNet? Now, MuseNet is a deep neural network that can generate 10 different instruments and can combine styles from country to Mozart and to the Beatles. MuseNet was not explicitly programmed with an understanding of music, but instead it discovered patterns of harmony, rhythm, and style by learning on its own. Another creative product of artificial intelligence is a content automation tool called Wordsmith. Wordsmith is a natural language generation platform that can transform your data into insightful narratives. Tech giants such as Yahoo, Microsoft, and Tableau are using Wordsmith to generate around 1.5 billion pieces of content every day. Let's move on to our next field, which is AI in social media. Now, ever since social media has become our identity, we've been generating an immeasurable amount of data through chats, tweets, posts, and so on. And whenever there's an abundance of data, AI and machine learning are always involved. In social media platforms like Facebook, artificial intelligence is used for face verification, wherein machine learning and deep learning concepts are used to detect facial features and tag your friends. Deep learning is used to extract every minute detail from an image by using a bunch of deep neural networks. Machine learning algorithms are used to design your feed based on your interests. Another such example is Twitter's AI, which is being used to identify hate speech and terroristic language in tweets. It makes use of machine learning, deep learning, and natural language processing to filter out offensive content. According to a recent survey, the company discovered and banned 300,000 terroristic linked accounts, 95% of which were found by non-human artificially intelligent machines. Moving on to our next field, we have AI in chatbots. Now, these days, virtual assistants have become a very common technology. Almost every household has a virtual assistant that controls the home. A few examples include Siri, Cortana, which are gaining popularity because of the user experience they provide. Amazon's Echo is an example of how AI can be used to translate human language into desirable actions. This device uses speech recognition and natural language processing to perform a wide range of tasks on your command. It can do more than just play your favorite songs. It can be used to control the devices at your house, book cabs for you, make phone calls, order your favorite food, check the weather conditions, and so on. Another example is a newly released Google's virtual assistant called Google Duplex that has astonished millions of people. Not only can it respond to calls and book appointments for you, it adds a human touch. It uses natural language processing and machine learning algorithms to process human language and perform tasks such as manage your schedule, control your smart home, make reservations, and so on. Next, we have artificial intelligence in autonomous vehicles. For the longest time, self-driving cars have been a buzzword in the AI industry. The development of autonomous vehicles will definitely revolutionize the transportation system. Companies like Waymo conducted several test drives in Phoenix before deploying their first AI-based public ride-hailing service. The artificial intelligence system collects data from the vehicle's radar, cameras, GPS, and cloud services to produce control signals that operate the vehicle. Advanced deep learning algorithms can accurately predict what objects in the vehicle's vicinity are likely to do. This makes Waymo cars much more effective and safer. Another famous example of autonomous vehicles are Tesla's self-driving cars. AI implements computer vision, image detection, and deep learning to build cars that can automatically detect objects and drive around without human intervention. Elon Musk, the founder of Tesla, talks a ton about how AI is implemented in Tesla's self-driving cars and autopilot features. He quoted that Tesla will have fully self-driving cars ready by the end of the year and a robo-taxi version, one that can ferry passengers without anyone behind the wheel. Tesla's autopilot software goes beyond driving the car where you tell it to go. If you're not in the mood for talking, autopilot will check your calendar and drive you to your scheduled appointment. That sounds pretty amazing. Moving on to our next application, we have applications of artificial intelligence in space exploration. So this is one of the most interesting fields in which artificial intelligence is being implemented. Space expeditions and discoveries always require analyzing vast amounts of data. Artificial intelligence and machine learning is the best way to handle and process data of this scale. So after rigorous research, astronomers use artificial intelligence to go through years of data obtained by the Kepler telescope in order to identify a distant 8-planet solar system. This was accomplished by using AI technology. Artificial intelligence is also being used for NASA's next rover mission to Mars, which is the Mars 2020 rover. The Aegis, which is an AI-based Mars rover, is already on the red planet. The rover is responsible for autonomous targeting of cameras in order to perform investigations on Mars. This proves how far AI has reached. Moving on to our next field, artificial intelligence in the gaming field. Over the past few years, artificial intelligence has become an integral part of the gaming industry. In fact, one of the biggest accomplishments of AI is in the gaming industry. I'm sure all of you have heard of DeepMind's AI-based AlphaGo software. DeepMind's AI-based AlphaGo software, which is known for defeating Lee Sedol, the world champion in the game of Go, is considered to be one of the most significant accomplishments in the field of artificial intelligence. Shortly after the victory, DeepMind created an advanced version of AlphaGo called the AlphaGo Zero, which in turn defeated AlphaGo in an AI to AI face-off. Unlike the original AlphaGo, which DeepMind trained over time by using large quantities of human knowledge and supervision, the advanced system AlphaGo Zero taught itself to master the game. Other examples of AI in gaming include the First Encounter Assault Raccoon, which is popularly known as Fear, is basically a first-person shooter video game. So what makes this game special? The actions taken by the opponent AI are unpredictable because the game is designed in such a way that the opponents are trained throughout the game and never repeat the same mistakes. So basically, they get better as the game gets harder. This makes the game very challenging and prompts the players to constantly switch strategies and never sit in the same position. Moving on to our next application, we have artificial intelligence in banking and finance. We all know that trading mainly depends on the ability to predict the future accurately. Machines are great at this because they can crunch a huge amount of data in a short span. Machines can also learn to observe patterns in past data and predict how these patterns might repeat in the future. An example of this is Japan's leading brokerage house, Nomura Securities, which has reluctantly been pursuing one goal, that is to analyze the insights of experienced stock traders with the help of computers. So after years of research, Nomura is set to introduce a new stock trading system. The new system stores a vast amount of price and trading data in its computer. By tapping into this database of information, it will make assessments. For example, it may determine that current market conditions are similar to the conditions 2 weeks ago and predict how share prices will be changing a few minutes down the line. This will help to make better trading decisions based on the predicted market prices. AI in banking is growing faster than you thought. A lot of banks have already adopted artificial intelligence-based systems to provide customer support, detect anomalies, and credit card frauds. An example of this is HDFC Bank. HDFC Bank has deployed an AI-based chatbot called EVA, which stands for Electronic Virtual Assistant. Since its launch, EVA has addressed over 3 million customer queries, interacted with over 500,000 unique users, and held over 1 million conversations. EVA can collect knowledge from thousands of sources and provide simple answers in less than 0.4 seconds, which is quite impressive. Moving on to our next field, we have artificial intelligence in agriculture. Now, here's an alarming fact. The world will need to produce 50% more food by 2050 because we're literally eating up everything. The only way this can be possible is if we use resources more carefully. With that being said, artificial intelligence can help farmers get more from the land while using resources more sustainably. Blue River Technology has developed a robot called See and Spray, which uses computer vision technologies like object detection to monitor and precisely spray weedicide on cotton plants. Precision spraying can help prevent herbicide resistance. Apart from this, the Berlin-based agriculture tech startup called Peat has developed an application called Plantix that identifies potential defects and nutrient deficiencies in soil by using images. The image recognition app identifies possible defects through images captured by the user's smartphone camera. Users are then provided with soil restoration techniques, tips, and other possible solutions. The company claims that its software can achieve pattern detection with an estimated accuracy of up to 95%. So the next field we're going to talk about is artificial intelligence in healthcare. When it comes to saving our lives, a lot of organizations and medical care centers are relying on AI. There are many examples of how AI in healthcare has helped patients all over the world. IBM's Watson for Health is helping healthcare organizations apply cognitive technology to unlock vast amounts of health data and power diagnosis. IBM has also developed AI software specifically for medicine. More than 230 healthcare organizations worldwide use IBM Watson technology. Google's DeepMind Health is another such example that is working in partnership with clinics, researchers, and patients to solve real-world healthcare problems. DeepMind has successfully developed a system that can analyze retinal scans and spot symptoms of sight-threatening eye diseases. The technology combines machine learning and systems neuroscience to build powerful general-purpose learning algorithms into neural networks that mimic the human behavior. Finally, we have artificial intelligence in marketing. We all know that marketing is a way to sugarcoat your product in order to attract more customers. We humans are actually quite good at sugarcoating, but what if an algorithm or a bot is built solely for the purpose of marketing a brand or a company? It would do a pretty awesome job. For example, let's consider the recommendations provided by Amazon. It's a known fact that 35% of Amazon's revenue is generated by its recommendation engine. Amazon makes use of AI and machine learning to recommend products to their customers. It uses recommendations as a targeted marketing tool to increase their revenue. There are different ways through which Amazon recommends products to you. For example, if you open up Amazon right now, you'll see a few sections like these, right? You'll see something known as your recently viewed items and featured recommendations. Here, Amazon looks at the products that you've been browsing and recommends very similar products to you. You'll also see a section like customers who bought this item also bought this. Here, Amazon studies the shopping behavior of customers who have a similar shopping trend and displays items that are being purchased together in the past. All of this is carried out by using artificial intelligence and machine learning algorithms. Another famous example of recommendation systems is Netflix. Netflix uses machine learning to recommend movies to you based on the data it collects about you, such as your browsing history, your age, your location, and so on. It is also a known fact that over 75% of what you watch is recommended by Netflix. And what is the logic behind Netflix? It is machine learning, artificial intelligence, and deep learning. So guys, with this, we come to
Okay, I hope understood that all applications of AI. Now, out of that, we'll start with the gameplay. Gameplay. We have discussed now only the video games. It is developed again with the help of this AI only, and how you move, how our step will ahead depend upon that. Okay, that AI will develop the next step against you. Okay, a majority of the video games, whether they are featuring racing car games, shooting games, strategy games. Okay, might be you have that shooting games like which one you have used PUBG, no, that games is similar kinds of games you will find in that AI are used. They all have different components. They are powered by AI or related applications. Next, artificial intelligence applications is in game design in lately getting better by implementing the incredibility complexity of advanced AI engines, which has been developed by the effort and research of programming groups. Means the complexity of the games, it is increased with the help of this AI application. Might be you have seen there are different steps in the game. Okay, first easy step, difficulty, and high difficulty. Yeah, which will that complexity or program complexity, it is increased with the help of this AI engines. Next, there are various techniques used in AI engines in game design, such as finite state machines, min-max trees, alpha beta pruning, fuzzy logic, genetic algorithms, neural networking, pathfinding, rural system, human behavior modeling, sample code, and the many more. Okay, with the help of these many techniques, we can develop the games. Action games, again, might be you have seen various types of games like action games, adventure games, role-playing games, strategy games, simulation games, team sports, individual sports, racing games. They are all games you have used in your mobiles, might be. Okay. Also, you have played that games also. Okay, next one is the theorem proving. Okay, automated theorem proving deal with the development of computer programs that show that some statements is a logical consequences of a set of statements. Means, suppose some algorithm you have developed, that algorithm we can judge with this of theorem proving. This ATP means automatic theorem proving system are used in wide variety of domains. Okay, various domains we can use such theorems. Okay, where a mathematician might prove the conservative that groups of order 2 are commutative from the axioms of group theory. A management consultant might formulate axioms that describe how organizations grow, interact, and from those axioms, prove that organizational death rates decrease with age. Okay. Next, hardware developer might validate the design of circuit by proving a conser that describe a circuits perform a given axioms that describe the circuit itself. Okay, and last one we can say that all these are tasks that can be performed by an ATP system, automatic theorem proving, given an appropriate formulation of the problem and axioms, hypothesis and conjecture, widely used in software creation, software verification, hardware verification. Mostly these are used in algorithms, these are used in our development of the softwares and hardwares, we can say that. Next one is the natural language processing. Okay, might be we have studied that natural language processing, which are those, okay, that Google Assistant. Okay, might be you have seen. If you speak that anything to that Google Assistant, it that Google will search similar kinds of the product. Okay, if you search like uh, I want the in any language, okay, in Marathi, English, Hindi. आता गुगल असिस्टंट बघितलं असेल तर आणि त्यामध्ये त्या ठिकाणी हाय गुगल म्हणून ज्यावेळेस गुगल असिस्टंट ओपन होतो आणि त्यावेळेस एखादी गोष्ट आपण ओके टेल मी द टेम्पल्स ऑफ my region. Okay, then definitely it will show the various temples of our regions. Okay, natural language processing is the branch of AI that helps computer to understand, interpret, manipulate human language like English or Hindi to analyze and drive its meaning. Okay, the meaning काय हे find out करण्यासाठी आपल्याला AI चा help होणार आहे. NLP helps developer to organize and structure knowledge to perform tasks like translation, summarization, named entity recognition, relationship extraction, speech recognition, topic segmentation, etc. Okay, next, Google, Yahoo, Bing, and other search engines base their machine translation technology on natural language processing. Deep learning models, it allow algorithm to read text on a web page, enter its meaning, translate it to other languages. User can ask questions about any subject, get a direct response within seconds. NLP system provides answer to the question in natural languages. NLP system offer exact answer to the question, no unnecessary or unwanted information. Means if you ask to Google Assistant, definitely, suppose if you type hair dryer, then definitely it will show that hair dryer only. Okay, it cannot show any other product. Okay, next one is the vision processing. In vision processing, mostly we can use the Google application like Google Lens. Okay, might be you have seen the new features of this Google Lens. Okay, as well as in autonomous cars also. This vision processing, it will help. Computer vision is the field of artificial intelligence that enable computer and system to derive meaningful information from digital images, videos, and other visual inputs. Means that vision processing, it is done with the help of this artificial intelligence, with the help of the Google Lens or the digital images, videos of by taken by that cameras and take action or more recommendation based on that information. If AI enables computer to think, computer vision enable them to see, observe, and understand. Okay. In autonomous cars, Google Lenses image-based search engines. Okay, some of might be you have seen in Google also. There is one part is if you take the screenshot of anything and if you upload that, such kinds of the images it will show. ओके आता तुम्हाला एखादा शर्ट पाहिजे असेल तर शर्टचा फोटो तुम्ही काढला आणि त्यावरती अपलोड केला तर त्या ठिकाणी त्या टाईपचे तुम्हाला शर्ट त्या ठिकाणी अपलोड केलेले तुम्ही त्या ठिकाणी किंवा प्राइस असलेली किंवा वेबसाईट वरती असलेली तुम्ही त्या ठिकाणी बघू शकणार. Next, robotics. Already we are discussing about this AI. It is used in the robotics. The AI in robotics not only help to learn the models to perform certain tasks, but also makes machine more intelligent to act in different scenario. Means in movies, okay, might be in robotic movie you have seen some robots are thinking about its thinking itself and it will take the decision accordingly. Okay, that robots we can say that robots are it is work in our artificial intelligence. There are various functions integrated into robots like computer vision, motion control, grasping the objects, training the data to understand physical and logistical data pattern and act accordingly. And to understand the scenarios or recognition, the various objects label the training. Data is used to train the AI model through machine learning algorithms. Means this thinking power is provided with the help of this AI only. Okay, to the robots. Robot ला काय करणार आहे तर एक आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजन्स प्रोव्हाइड किंवा बुद्धी प्रोव्हाइड करण्याचा जो काही काम करणार आहे तो म्हणजे आपला एआय पार्ट करणार. नेक्स्ट वन इज द नेक्स्ट expert systems. Expert systems. An expert system is a domain in which artificial intelligence stimulates the behavior and judgment of a human or organization containing experts. Means sometimes we require the expert comments from the system. Okay, तर त्या ठिकाणी कुठे घेऊ शकतो एक्सपर्ट कमेंट्स. सपोज one example we can say that in previous video you have seen farmers some pesticide you want to spray in your farm, then what you have to do, okay, which kind of pest in your farm, depend upon that it will judge that expert comment. म्हणजे त्या ठिकाणी तुम्ही शेतात ते तुम्ही मगाशी व्हिडिओ मध्ये बघितलं असेल प्लॅन्टिक्स हे ऍप्लिकेशन. प्लॅन्टिक्स मध्ये काय केलं जात होतं तर त्या ठिकाणी तर एक फोटो तुम्ही कॅप्चर केला जात होता आणि तो फोटोच्या बेसवरती ओके त्यावरती काय केलं जाणार आहे तर तुम्हाला कुठले पेस्टिसाइड स्प्रे करायचे हे तुम्हाला त्या ठिकाणी सांगितलं किंवा सजेशन किंवा एक्सपर्ट कमेंट प्रोव्हाइड केले जात होते. ओके, इट acquires relevant knowledge from its knowledge base and interprets it as per the user problem. The data in the knowledge base is essentially added by humans who are expert in the particular domain. Okay, means we can say that for example our human if you discuss आता जर एखादा mathematical problem असेल तर we should prefer the okay expert कोण म्हणतोय तर mathematic person are expert in that. Some mechanical problem we can say that mechanical persons are expert in that. This depend upon okay who's expert, okay we can reach to that. Similarly in this also AI also use the expert comments for that. However, the software is used by a non-expert to gain information. It is used in various areas of medical diagnosis, accounting, coding, gaming, and more. In other words, expert systems are computer applications developed to solve complex problems in particular domain at an extraordinary level of human intelligence and expertise. Okay, this is about expert system. Next one is the machine learning. The machine learning, in last lecture only we have discussed about the machine learning. Okay, how we can define that machine learning and it is related. Machine learning, it is one branch of our AI only. Okay, with the help of this machine learning, we can develop we can develop different algorithms for our computers. ओके और द ऍप्लिकेशन्स वेगवेगळ्या ऍप्लिकेशन साठी आपण काय करू शकतो तर मशीन लर्निंगच्या सहाय्याने अल्गोरिदम डेव्हलप करून त्या ठिकाणी यूज करू शकतो. मशीन लर्निंग इज डिफाइन्ड ॲज अ स्टडी ऑफ कॉम्प्युटर प्रोग्राम्स दॅट leverage algorithms and statistical models to learn through interface and pattern without being explicitly programmed. Okay, machine learning field has undergone significant development in the last decade. This include tasks like intelligent automation or simple rule based classification. This means that AI algorithms were restricted to only the domains of what they were processed for. However, with machine learning, computers were able to move past doing what they were programmed and begun involved with the each iteration. People you may know in Facebook, recommended content on YouTube, Google Maps, smart replies in emails, Amazon Alexa, and Google Home. Okay, machine learning, it is one example of that Alexa. Okay, if you tell the Alexa, okay, start the geyser, the Alexa will start the geyser, or your any another application. If you want to start your light, then also you can speak Alexa, you can start the light, then Alexa will start the light. And behind this, there is some program of that machine learning, and depend upon that machine learning only, that recognition, it will start that. Again, recommended, okay, might be if you search in that YouTube, it will show the number of recommended videos. Okay, that ठिकाणी तुम्हाला recommended videos तुम्हाला त्या ठिकाणी बघायला. Next one is the deep learning. Okay, how can define the deep learning? Okay, deep learning, again, it is one branch of our AI. AI जीच एक आहे तर आपली डीप लर्निंग ही ब्रँच आहे. ज्या पद्धतीने मशीन लर्निंग आहे ही एक ब्रँच आहे AI ची, आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजन्स ची. Okay, in that we can develop the program or algorithms to perform the certain task. Okay, similarly, deep learning also, it is one part of the our artificial intelligence. Deep learning is a artificial intelligence work that mirror the activities of the human brain in preparing information and making science for use in decision making. It also called as a deep neural learning or a deep neural network. म्हणजे त्या ठिकाणी काय करणार आहे तर ज्या पद्धतीने ह्युमन, ओके, एखादा ह्युमन असेल तर एखादी ऍक्टिव्हिटी करतो त्या पद्धतीने काय करणार आहे तर त्या ठिकाणी एआय मध्येही सिमिलरली मिरर कॉपी केली जाणार आहे आणि ती ऍक्टिव्हिटी काय केली जाणार आहे तर ज्या ठिकाणी गरज असेल तर त्या ठिकाणी ती यूज केली जाणार आहे. आणि त्याच ऍक्टिव्हिटीला काय म्हणतो तर डीप न्यूरल लर्निंग किंवा डीप न्यूरल नेटवर्क असं. ओके, DNN द न्यूरल नेटवर्क असेही आपण त्या ठिकाणी म्हणू शकतो. Okay, it is a kind of machine learning that prepare a computer to perform human like, for example, precision speech or distinguish speeches or making forecast. म्हणजे त्या ठिकाणी काय आहे तर तुम्ही जर दोन फोटो टाकले तर त्या ठिकाणी काय केलं जाणार आहे तर त्या दोन फोटो मधला डिस्टिंग्विश इट विल फाइंड दॅट सॉफ्टवेअर. ओके, rather than arranging information to go through predefined condition, deep learning set up essential boundaries about the information and trains the computer to learn on its own by perceiving designs using numerous layers of processing. Again, we can say that deep learning has network mostly of learning unsupervised from information that is unstructured or unlabeled in simple language. Deep learning is a type of algorithm that appears to work certainly well for anticipating things. Next, we can say that it is a related again with deep learning. Deep learning is the swift augmenting trend in healthcare also. Might be in previous video you have seen the various healthcare applications where we can use this deep learning or the AI. For example, wearable sensors devices that use patient data for providing real-time information. Means in ICU might be you have seen. In ICU, okay, continuous or real-time data it required. Okay, ICU मध्ये बघितलं असेल insensitive, we can say that patient, okay, blood pressure BP, we can say that, or the another, okay, heart rate, it is continuously measured and it is shown to the doctor. Some certain changes will be there, then automatically that condition will detect by that machine and it will alert to the doctor. Okay, such things are there in the healthcare sectors. We can say that information about patient conditions such as overall health condition, blood sugar level, blood pressure, heartbeat count, various other measurement use deep learning. In that, we can use the deep learning techniques. Medical bodies can access this information to examine the health condition of the individual patients and also derive pattern for a patient prior medical data and anticipate the occurrence of any syndrome in the features. म्हणजे एखादं व्यक्तीचं जर तुम्हाला त्यामध्ये डिफेक्ट असेल तर त्या ठिकाणी त्या बॉडीमध्ये डिफेक्ट असेल तर त्या ठिकाणी प्रायर बेसिसवरती तुम्हाला इन्फॉर्म केलं जाणार आहे. ओके, विथ द हेल्प ऑफ दिस डीप लर्निंग. This technology also help medical expert analyze data and recognize trends that accelerate enhance medical diagnosis and patient care. Okay, पेशंटच्या केअर साठीही आपल्याला बराचसा यूज होणार आहे. Now we can use such techniques in our health sector. Okay, besides deep learning is also useful in pharmaceutical and medical companies for various purposes such as convenient diagnosis, image segmentation. For the example of conventional neural network is usable for analyzing images like MRI result, X-ray results. Okay, means this conventional neural networking is used in MRIs as well as in the X-rays also to find out the damages in to the human. Next technique is the problem solving in the AI. Okay, एखादा प्रॉब्लेम असेल तर तो कशा स्टेपच्या साहाय्याने सॉल्व्ह केला जाणार आहे हे आपण त्या ठिकाणी बघणार आहे यानंतर. Up to this, we have seen the all applications of our AI. इथं कोणाला काय प्रॉब्लेम आहे का ऍप्लिकेशन मध्ये? You have any problem in the applications? You can ask me now only. जर प्रॉब्लेम असेल तर तुम्ही विचारू शकता. Otherwise, the next part of this unit is problem solving in AI. Okay, एखादा प्रॉब्लेम असेल तर तो AI च्या साहाय्याने कशा पद्धतीने सॉल्व्ह केला जाणार आहे ते आपण ह्या ठिकाणी बघणार. We'll take the two problems. One is the water jug problem and second one is the machineries and cannibals problem. Okay, we will understood एखादा दोन एक्झाम्पल घेणार आहेत. बेस्ट एक्झाम्पल आहे त्या ठिकाणी त्या एक्झाम्पलच्या साहाय्याने ओके एखादा AI प्रॉब्लेम असेल तर तो कशा पद्धतीने सॉल्व्ह केला जाणार आहे ते आपण त्या ठिकाणी स्टडी करणार आहे. ओके एक म्हणजे आहे वॉटर जग प्रॉब्लेम आहे आणि सेकंड म्हणजे आहे मशिनरीज अँड द कॅनिबल प्रॉब्लेम. ओके आय विल गिव्ह सम ब्रीफ आयडिया ऑफ दॅट वन. ओके सी सपोज I have 3 jugs, water jugs. One is 8 liter, 5 liter, and 3 liter. And I want to measure 4 liter. Can anyone tell me the other? This is your exercise you have to do, and tell me in next lecture how to measure with the help of 4 liter, with the help of this 8, 5, and 3 liter water. ओके 3 जग दिले, एक 8 लिटरचा दिलेला आहे, एक 5 लिटरचा आणि 3 लिटरचा. ह्याच्या साहाय्याने मला काय करायचं आहे तर आय हॅव टू मेजर द 4 लिटर. हाऊ कॅन मेजर विथ द हेल्प ऑफ दिस वॉटर जग. दिस इज वन प्रॉब्लेम. आणि सेकंड प्रॉब्लेम ओके मशिनरीज अँड कॅनिबल्स प्रॉब्लेम्स म्हणजे चांगली लोक आणि वाईट किंवा राक्षसी वृत्तीचे लोक. तर ह्या दोन्ही व्यक्ती तुम्हाला काय करायचे आहेत तर मूव्ह करायचे. तर हे कशा मूव्ह करणार तुम्ही मला पुढच्या लेक्चर मध्ये सांगा. ओके हे दोन्ही प्रॉब्लेम आपण त्या ठिकाणी बघणार आहे. व्हेरी इंटरेस्टिंग पार्ट इज देअर हिअर आफ्टर. ओके हाऊ टू सॉल्व्ह दिस प्रॉब्लेम्स वी शुड अंडरस्टूड. सगळ्यांनी तुम्ही हे बघा या ठिकाणी हे प्रॉब्लेम. आता एक तर लक्षात आलेलं असेल एक माझ्याकडे 3 जग आहेत. ह्या 3 जगच्या साहाय्याने मला 4 लिटर मेजर करायचं. हा प्रॉब्लेम एआयच्या साहाय्याने कसं सॉल्व्ह करायचा हे आपण बघणारच आहे. तर नॉर्मल पद्धतीने तुम्ही कसं मेजर कराल कोण मला सांगू शकेल? एनीवन? I want to measure 4 liter with the help of these 3 jugs, 8 liter, 5 liter, and 3 liter. You can find the solution of this one and tell me in the next lecture. Okay, the next lecture we will discuss these two problems. One is the machineries and cannibals, and another one we will discuss this water jet problem. Okay, तुम्ही फाइंड आउट करा आणि पुढच्या वेळेस येताना मला सांगा त्याचा आन्सर सांगा कशा पद्धतीने 4 लिटर ह्या 3 जगच्या साहाय्याने आपण मेजर करू शकेल. 8 लिटर आणि 5 लिटर आणि 3 लिटरच्या साहाय्याने. ओके अंडरस्टूड अप टू दिस? देयर इज एनी प्रॉब्लेम यू कॅन आस्क मी, अदरवाइज विल एंड टुडेज सेशन. Okay, if you have any problem you can ask, otherwise you can write your roll number in chat box and you can leave the meeting, no problem.